What the hell is this? And do I need to know all of this to understand science? If you're like most people, you are afraid of math, and you often have something that is called math anxiety. People who are anxious about thinking about math, solving a problem, mathematical problem, they get scared and stressed out just thinking about it. That's called math anxiety. And many people who are not good at math or who have math anxiety feel that they cannot understand science since math and science are highly coupled, which they are. But that assumption is wrong, that you cannot understand science without math. Most, if not all, of the concepts, theories, and themes in science can be understood without any foundation in mathematics. So I'll give you some examples. Think of most of the things in biology. How does evolution work? What is genetics? How does that work? How does this inheritance work? What is DNA? How is DNA made up? What is it made up of? The biochemistry of DNA. What are proteins? How do they work? Why is the sky blue? Why, when I turn a corner, does the watermelon roll? Why, when I stop, I feel like I'm being in this car, I'm being brought forward. These are all things that, in principle, can be all understood without any kind of mathematics or mathematical modeling, which is great because that means anybody can have access to learn about how the universe works and to become scientifically literate, and which enables them to be inoculated against pseudoscience and false claims that many companies use to gouge our wallets. As I said, science and math are coupled. So if you want to understand the more intricate stuff of science, understand more on the fundamental level how physics works and how evolutionary theory works, you do have to understand mathematics, more advanced mathematics than just arithmetic. You know how to do algebra, how to do some calculus. Now, mind you, most scientists do not know everything about all of science. It's impossible. Just think about it. The vast diversity in science, it'd be impossible for a scientist to be literate in all of it. But we all have a little bit of understanding of all the sciences. So we all take a little bit of math, a little bit of physics, a little bit of bio, a little bit of chem, and then we specialize. So when we do any kind of research that's beyond our ability to actually analyze it or think of a different idea or look at it from a different approach, we often will seek out somebody who is an expert or has more knowledge in the field that we need help with. And we ask them for help, and then we partner up and work together. That's what scientists do. So you'd be surprised number of scientists, particularly in the field of chemistry and biology, especially in biology and medicine, who are not very competent in math, who do great discoveries, who advance the fields of biology and science in general without having lots of math. And if they do need help with math, we find somebody, like I said, who can do it to help us with. We partner up with them. And that's across all disciplines of science. You have physicists that partner with chemists. You have chemists with biologists, all partnering up together. We got computer scientists partnering up with biologists, chemists, and physicists, and cosmologists, and all the time. We're all partnering up together to all help each other out to get a better understanding of the universe. That's the whole point of science. And then it's great because that means we can pass on these theories and basic understanding of the universe to the public so that you all can understand without having advanced scientific training in advanced mathematics. It's fantastic. So those of you out there who think you can't study science, you can't understand it because it involves math, I'm here to tell you you're wrong. You don't need to have math. You're okay. Just follow your curiosity. Look things up. Always question things. And believe in yourself that you have the ability to understand science. no matter what your mathematical competencies are. I hope I have encouraged you all to study science more and not worry about your math levels and just appreciate the wonders of the universe. So thank you for watching and have a great day.